Hey guys. Okay, so I want to use this week's video to give you guys my usual annual council fee increase update. So, for those of you that don't know, historically speaking within the town planning world, end of financial year has been a cray period, as people rush to get their applications in before the council's fees increase on the 1st of July. Like, I think back to the days where I used to work for the previous firm before I started my own business, and we would be working till midnight, sometimes pulling all-nighters in the lead up to end of financial year to get applications ready in time. And then on June 30, I would be loaded up like a pack horse walking up Queen Street Mall, because back in my day, let me tell you, back in my day, we didn't have digital lodgement. We actually had to print 6 copies of every application. So yeah, on June 30, I would be loaded up with all of those applications and I'd be hiking up Queen Street Mall ready to lodge before the end of financial year cut off. Ah, the memories. Good times. But yeah, in more recent times, the fee increases, proportionally speaking, haven't been as drastic or as crazy. As a result, we haven't seen the same level of craziness out there that we did in the past. And this year, the story is very much the same. So I've had a brief look at the fees, and it's generally speaking like $15 here, $20 there. Like, there's nothing too crazy going on. If I look at the categories that we tend to focus on, so the 660 fee, which usually covers like a carport or a deck addition, one component, I think that's going up by like $25. If you look at the major renovation component fee, which I think at the moment is 1320, that's going up by like $50. If you look at the new house fee, I think that's $80. Partial demolition fee might be $40 or something like that. Like, it's nothing too crazy in the scheme of things. The highest fee I think I've seen so far was the unit application fee, and that's going up by $350 or something like that. So yeah, moral of the story, the point I want to get across today is you don't need to rush. Like, yes, definitely, if you're ready to lodge this financial year, money's better off in your pocket than council's pocket. But we're only talking like $20 here, $50 there, nothing cray. So you can take a bit of a breath, people. Okay, so that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always like to say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got 3. Number 1, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number 2, Brisbane Town Planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number 3, what was my number 3? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.